never afford somebody to waste your time if you want to be successful. You can make more money, but you can never make more time. You can never reverse going to spend time with your kids when they are grown up. You saw what happened to our governor in Nyeri? Governor in Nyeri Simulioni. Before he was buried, another governor was in office. Right? But who replaced you as the father? As the husband? No. I tell people, the more busy you are in your job, the higher the position in your job, the faster to be replaced. Because the company cannot stay empty. It needs replacement immediately. What you are doing is very important to the company that they cannot afford to stay without somebody. I've been in a position I have seen. Paka mdosi yako busy haizi kuja mpaka mazishi yako na kwa simu. Yes. And it's not hataki kukuja, it is the duties. Your time. Don't joke with your time. Some of us, we don't even have 1 hour even of reading and upgrading our skills. But we are so quick to wake up and listen the radio to whatever crap is there. Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. If you listen nonsense, you speak nonsense. Garbage in, garbage out. If you want to invest, learn to put something of concrete in your mind, because that's what you're going to get. You are as valuable as the content you put in your mind. Be careful what you listen to. Be careful what you watch. 3, also be careful about, who you are hanging around with also. Remember, you get broke fast in your head before it reflects in your pocket. It starts with thoughts, words, action. That's the phrase of success. Thoughts, words, action. Nambia mwenzako, thoughts, words, action. You think something, then you speak it, then you do it, so that you get results. So what are you reading? What are you watching? What are you listening to? Garbage in, garbage out. Ukiweka simu airtime saa hii 100, nani mtaongea naye for many hours? Uliza your friend, nani mnaongeanga naye sana? Who is your frequent caller? Frequent caller wako ni nani? Muulize vizuri, who is your frequent caller? Hata unaenda kutoa taarifa iko hapo juu. Who are your 10 most frequent callers? Are they people who add you value? And what do you discuss? Munaongeanga nini? Is it how you can grow financially? How you can be better economically? Let us be very cautious. How many hours do you spend developing yourself in financial terms? My fellow millionaires, kwani umeumwa? Time. And in time, let me give you a secret formula I run in time. If you are late, you are absent. If you are late, you are absent. If you are late, you are absent. If you are on time, you are late.
If you are on time, you are late.
And if you are early, you are on time.
If you are early, you are on time.
Never forget. If you are late, you are absent. If you are on time, you are late. If you are early, you are on time. If you have never missed a flight, you never know how valuable 1 minute is. Are you together? If you're in ICU, if you have had a patient in ICU, every second makes all the difference. Again, every single minute makes big difference. If your parents are alive, thank God. I lost my mom last year through cancer after I left. That was November. And I tell people, you never know how valuable your parents are until you lose one of them for both. So, now what we have talked about giving. About giving is very vital. Give money to your parents. If you're married, try to swap the money. If tuseme tumeona, let's say for example tumeona, right? Wazazi wangu wakiniitisha pesa namwambia atumie wazazi wangu, right? Wazazi wake wakitaka pesa ananipeni watumie. Money swapping is what is going to help you to build financial success. Because for example, you are married, right? Mama yako anakuitisha pesa, uambii bibi yako, right? Yeye anaitishwa pesa kwako na anapeana bila kukuambia. So nyinyi wote mmejifichiana, right? They have said there is a difference, right? Mama yake anakuja anapewa pesa, right? Ukimzidikisha na unamuongezea ingine. Anatoka hapo na 5,000, right? Sio vibaya, lakini they sense most of the money is lost through in-laws. And it's not just through in-laws, through lack of trust in a relationship. You know what I say? If you don't work as partnership when it comes to money, your friends enjoy your money. In fact, wanakuranga mzuri hata kuwashinda. Your work is to work for money. Yeah, mwenzako from today. Go and discuss about money. Go and discuss about if you want to be successful, even relationship falls because of money. Are we together? The moment you run and learn about money, learn about the rules of money and cap them. You are working, your husband is working, you are working. What is your responsibility? Have you agreed on responsibilities? One day aliolewa hapa Kenya, no one of the guy who happens to work for the Holland embassy. Wakati walifika Holland, things changed. Here the man was doing everything. Life here is very cheap compared to their country. Wakati walifika Holland, aliambiwa now, here it's 50-50. If rent is 100,000, you give 50,000. If the food we use is 10,000 or 20,000 a month, you give 10, I give 10. If it's education, it is 100,000, 50-50. So I don't know, look for a job and provide your 50%. Msichana ni wa Kenya. They had to divorce. You get? There are some countries, the rules are very clear because hata mkidivorce ni 50-50. Sindio? What comes when it comes to responsibility? And the question is about agreeing. What will you do with your money? To support. Right? And let me tell you, work towards achieving financial freedom. And achieving financial freedom is the day when the money that is coming into your investment is more than the money you spend from your different sources of income. Sawa sawa. And remember I said I'll speak about multiple streams of income, but because of time, I'm not going even to touch about it because it's in this book. It's in this book. The cost of production for this book is 1,000. So I said it around 1,500, 1,500. That is one. I have a book here that is very important. Remember, in money is about providing service. About providing? And at the end of the day, it's about the service, the quality of service that you give. And this book, I reiterated 1,000. But I want to be sincere. And I have felt like giving some. So I need 10 people who are going to buy this, the first 10, and I'm going to give them an extra copy. Nipate watu 10. Nani? 10. I need 10. That is one. If you buy, I'm going to add you an extra. I have one. Nani mwingine? And I'm going to add this book, The Power of Self-Image for Blessings. And since I have only 10 copies, I want to be honest. I have 2 people. I have 3 people. 4 people. 5. And in fact, kitu rahisi ni mkujie so that msiseme. Kujie ni haraka. I only have 10. The first thing I'm going to get the 2. Cheka hii. Ikiisha ni hivyo. So I only have unanipe na make sure unisaidie 1,000. I'm very honest. Watu 10. Ikiisha nimesema namba yangu ni 07 0720 63 zikiwa 3 ni 2000 0720 63 12 12 0720 63 12 12. I say the copy tatu ni 2000 if you need the 3 copies. So I only have 1 2 3 4 5. Sawa. And I'll take 2 questions, burning questions. Naona MC wetu wamesimama. Nimesema namba ni 0720 63 12 12. 0720 63 12 12. The other one, you get it, the greatest secret in our multiple streams of income about money. You get it at only 1,000. Sawa. Hiyo ingine ndio nilikuwa napeana free for those who want. So when anataka the 3 copies is only 2,000. 3 burning question. Simuulize swali. Unajua mwalimu wangu aliniambia the reason for aulize swali is because hawajaelewa kitu yoyote umesema. They are very bright. They have understood everything you have said. Question? I remember also for those who want to run on the same, you can call me the same number, we can organize you run the same about money. Sorry, ask me any question.
I think, Brother Boni, thank you so much for everything. But from a practicality point of view, I think I would love it when you break it down. You tell me I earn 50K. From a practicality point of view, 50K is, let's say, not even the gross, it's the net. Niko na rent, ninafaa kulipa rent to a maximum of how much? Niko na chakula, niko na fare, so when it is broken down like that, then I will know the principles. How far can I go to live in within the environs of where I work? Ili nijue kama ni Githurai, ama ni Doni, ama ni hapa Ungwaro. So that at the end of the day, from my 50K, at least I have something to save. I don't know how you can assist me. Really, 10 years down the line, I can say, yes. I started with 50.
Yes.
Now that I'm earning 200K, I'm able to comfortably save 100K. Could be.
Very good. You have 50,000. The first thing that you consider, let's even start with the basic. The one is rent. Sawa. I always tell people, in choosing the house to rent, make sure that you stay in a house that you can comfortably pay with your salary about 2 to 3. So that means if you are earning 50K, I think the maximum you should try to check a house ranging from 15,000. Are you together? 15,000. You can pay with 1 month salary, you can pay twice your rent. Or 3 times the safest. Remember what I told you, my first was worst experience. I didn't even have enough money to pay the rent for that month, right? I also came to do the same mistake. I was staying in Kikuyu, I was about 50,000. Ukicherewa, that's 100 G's. Plus overheads, right? And then I happened, mpaka nikazikwa na gari, nikauza gari. And I had to get practical. And that's the time I realized something is totally wrong. And I had to crash and go to a 2-bedroom house from a 5-bedroom house. The way I say it, sometimes we want to read so that our friends, they can see we are doing better financially, right? Uonekane, marafiki zako wakikuja wanaona wafungulia geti liko, lakini sio kwako. Umerent. Na mnamalizanga na mwenye nyumba 1 month. Utamwambia I have stayed here for 20 years. No, there is no contract. Even if you stay for 30 years, the house will never be yours. Right? So first is try to get affordable house in a convenient place. Right? Because for example, nilipiga hesabu nilikuwa nakaa Diara. Nilikakuja kazi Western. Nikaangalia hotel nikaona siwache nitafute Kagemi which is near and I can get a nice house. I was paying 4,500 but it was closer because before I was working in Prestige, Cyber Prestige. Nikahamishwa nikaletwa Western hapa UK. So I saw Kagemi is better because I'll get a nice house ya 4,000 yenye tulikuwa tunakaa na my friend. But still it was still very high. You get? Because at first is ask yourself, how much is your rent? Then second, get practical. Can you sit down with your partner and say, how much money do we need a month? Then must. Sawa. Steamer, how much do we spend? Electricity, how much do we spend? Food, we don't calculate on food and it is very expensive. I started to shop in Park. So for those especially who want to get this book, you have gotten the greatest secret. It has practical insights, and everybody who need how to get practical will get, because I said even shopping in wholesale. I started shopping in wholesale. I was not shopping. Sawa. Kama ni unga, I was very happy to go for supermarket. Nabeba katroli, everybody can see with papers. Nimetoka a heavily known supermarket. Are we together? I started to buy. Kama natoka na huku, nasimama soko mjinga, nanunua viazi, whatever I can. I never used to do that. I was a man. Naenda nyumbani nikiwa nimesimama. Mwanaume ni kwenda nyumbani kama amesimama bila kuweka kitu. But when you start doing the man, you stop that because it is very expensive. Unatumia mafuta, unanunua mtungi. Started buying 20 liters. I started being a frequenter at wholesale. Are we together? Get practical with yourself so that unagundua. And I found myself nafanya shopping at 10,000-12,000 that can last me for about 4 to 6 months. You get? And I realized I'm saving on food. Sawa. I was having my kids. Wote niwapeleka academy. I had to take them to public. I said, no. And we sat down and we reasoned. Sawa. And then from there I said, the money I'll be saving from this, I'll make sure I save. Na ninaonyesha hivi nilikuwa tunakaa nyumba hii pesa, I have made sure I have saved. Sawa. So that you don't push your family and then you start using that money for yourself and the family is suffering. Sawa. And wife in the house, tafadhali saa ingine when you are scaling down, most of our women, they don't want to calm down. It is good to be for a greater good. Sawa. But it needs you sit down and be very honest. Because let me tell you, what is killing most families is not being open about money. Sawa sawa. And then the day you share the same knowledge as a couple about money, your life is going to change. And that's why you see some couples, you see, they have been married less than 5 years. But the things they have done together is amazing. Others have been married for 15 years. But they have nothing to show for their 15 years. They have kids as evidence. The kids are the evidence. But financially, monetary, waliona akiwa na saving ya 300, ameitoa yote. And especially like this year when it has been very tough economically, you realize, I saw even in Nakumatt when they came down, I saw more than 100 families crashing. You get? So nimekwambia, because utajiambia, I'll be saving a money 50,000 and you say, I want to start saving. Nimekwambia nilikuwa na 16,800, nilikuwa na save 12,000. That was before I married. After I married, there are response that comes automatic. But you have to agree, nikasema, now, hii nyumba tuko na kaya 50,000. Now, I want to reduce my rent by 30,000. But every month, I will make sure naonyeshana I have saved the 30,000. You get? So that you don't push the family and your friends start enjoying your money. Now, who are you pushing? The family. Sawa sawa. So that umwambia nataka tununue hiyo plot ya 480, I want to be saving at least 20,000. So that by a year, I have saved how much money? To 40,000. And in 2 years, you're going to have 480. But for now, nataka tuchukue hii plot, ni 480, tuilipe. After tumeilipa, then we save. And then have the money to do. Hata kama unataka ya mabati, sinieni. As much you can be saving that 10k ya rent, na tuko kwetu, iko na lori ya mawe, iko na lori ya mchanga. We'll build slowly. Sawa sawa? Right now, as when I'm building my first house, then I'm not in a hurry to finish. Unataka temporary, unakaa hapo, status yako unaiweka kando. Silikuwa. Ukisave hiyo unamwaga mchanga inakaa hapo, haiozi. Meweka chuma hapo, haiozi. Kipata, and I'm thinking now in cement and metals and lorries. When you start that project, it changes even your thinking. Unaona 500, unaona hiyo mifuko ya simiti 600. Hauoni nyama ama chupa mbili. Your perception start to change automatic. Ukiona 10,000, ukiongeza 5 niko na darugo lori moja. Even the way you think changes. Kwa pamoja. So you'll be able to save towards a certain goal, and at the end you find you have grown. That you find yourself in 10 years, you have done something. Now by the time unamaliza maybe kulipa, that rand I can tell you, unauzio for it. But I can tell you in the next 5 years. In the next, na mtaniuliza, in the next 5 to 10 years, itakuwa inatoka 2 million. Na kuna watu wako na pesa hapa na hatanunua, and I'm telling you the truth. Hawatanunua, na si ati hawana pesa. Lakini by the time unasema wanaenda kuuza, sasa hivi fikisha ngapi? Hata jirani ameuza 2.5. 2.5 moja. Na ako na 2. Sasa hata amejenga. Sawa sawa. Swali ya mwisho tumalize. Ladies, unanyamaza sana. Ulizeni swali. MC. Naona sasa watu wameridhika. May God bless you and see you at the top.
How many are going to change from this? He has not had the altar call, but he did want to sell the books. How many are going to change from here now? Tuseme kuanzia leo tutabadilika, tukue watu wema. Yes, let's save wisely. We save more as much as we can. We borrow very wisely. Let's not bother our chairman very much when it's impossible, and we have said it. And then after we borrow that money, let's put it for the right use. Another highlight for the day, what have we been told in a nutshell? Somebody somewhere where we have worked in the course of our education said that if you walk with some 3 blind men,